In some positive crash news, it sounds like Jalek Swoll, after his crash in the whoops, left the race due to a mechanical issue, not an injury, with a post-race release saying, quote, I rode a little tight in my heat race, but I loosened up for the main event. I made quick passes and felt pretty good. I had a racing incident in the whoops. Another rider came over on me and I had a crash. I would have loved to finish the race to have the laps under my belt, but the bike was a little bent up. I'm looking forward to Daytona. Now, I'm going to say I don't really think somebody came over on him there. That's just my personal opinion on that. But, I mean, it is his first Supercross back since 2024. Correct me if I'm wrong. Because he had was it the ACL or Achilles injury, whatever it was. Somebody comment down below last year. And apparently, yeah, right there, on his Instagram saying, quote, first SX since 2024, obviously didn't go the way we wanted. Made good passes quick in the main and had a moment with another rider that ultimately ended my main. Sheared off some metal in the steering department and would have been dangerous to try and ride, so had to pull off the race. Shit happens. Good news is I'm healthy and there's better days ahead. That is good news. I mean, obviously, you never want to see anybody get injured, especially in the first round, especially somebody like him who has had so many injuries, especially long-term injuries. So hopefully, knock on wood, he is fine. We go into Daytona this weekend and he can, make it through the main event. And Jeremy Coker, the general manager, says, quote, tonight was one of the toughest tracks I have seen in a long time, which drew a lot of challenges for all the riders. Sadly, it was not the start to the 250 SX East that we wanted or needed. Jordan showed strong promise despite the results not fully reflecting, but we will continue to build on the positives. The team and the riders have a plan of attack moving into the next week with how to improve. We will all hold our heads high and strive to show the world that triumph belongs at the front. Now, obviously, Daytona is coming up, so hopefully they can both, make it through both heats or whatever in the mains and stay healthy and, show a little bit better than this weekend did. And hopefully it is, like I said, knock on wood, that Jalek is actually healthy. He has no lingering things from that crash that he's just not saying, but so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. What do you think of Arlington? What do you think of the Daytona track coming up? What do you think of the whole red light situation? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does really help me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.